Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're looking for the perfect companion for all your adventures, we have found the right one for you. This luggage set that comes in 5 pieces by bluterm. It's just beautiful, high quality, and it runs so smooth. My husband and I used the carry-on for a trip, and it did not disappoint us. We promise we would highly recommend this because it's so different from our previous luggage we owned. This has a 360-degree spinner, which makes it super easy to maneuver. We also love the fact that it has a durable zipper, TSA security lock that gives you the peace of mind whenever you have to check it in or whenever you're not around it. This carry-on, not only is it super durable, it's high quality, but it's so functional. You can fit so many items in your smallest set. Not only does it come with 3 luggage sets, it also comes with a backpack that can be used as a traveling personal item and a toiletry bag. This is super practical and it's a very complete set.
So if you're looking to have all of your items protected when traveling, I highly recommend this set of luggage, and that is my point of view.